guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're watching me, hi, my name is Leyda, but you can call me Ley for easier, for better, for shorter, for whatever. In this channel, we do a little bit of everything. We do makeup tutorials, we do Spanish makeup tutorials, we do vlogs, bailes, pedas, literally anything you can think of, we got it here in this channel. So, you know, just a little bit of everything on this channel. If this isn't the first time you're watching me, then hello guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing this look right here that I have. This is one of the simplest looks that I've ever done. I used one palette and two colors on that palette. So if you guys are interested on seeing how I did this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm sorry that you guys can see my mirror on the bottom part, but I need it so I can do my face. I went ahead and did this eye so that this video wouldn't be so long. So I am going to be using just one palette. Like I said, I literally only used two colors for this eye look. It's crazy. But this is the palette. It's called the Magic Mini by Juvia's. And it was a gift from my best friend, Jacqueline. There's a bunch of colors and there's like lots of neutrals. There's also a bunch of brights and like casual colors. So I really like this palette. It's a really good palette. But this is the only palette that I'm going to be using today. So yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and start with this look. For the concealer, I'm going to be using the Pro Concealer in the color Natural by LA Girl. This is a concealer that I always use. So I'm just going to spread some on my eyelid and I'm going to blend it out with a sponge. So I went ahead and I also set the eyelid, and I used the color Cassie, which is this neutral color right here in the Juvia's palette. I'm going to start off also with my transition color, and I'm going to be using color Nana, and it's this orangey kind of. It's not a really vibrant orange, it's just kind of like a subtle orange. And I'm going to be using a Wet n Wild blending brush. This is not what I was using. Wet n Wild blending brush, and I'm also going to be using a BH Cosmetic brush number 5 to pack that color on. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. I don't know if I want to use this concealer. This is the one that I used on the other eyelid. But it's creasing really bad. And I'm not sure if it's the concealer or if it's the actual like setting thing that I used on top of it. But we're going to go with something that I love. I'm going to cut my crease with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Light Sand. Because this one, it's never creased on me, so... Okay, so I've patted down the color, and I'm going to go ahead and set it with the color Cassie, and then I'm also going to blend it out like the corner with the color Nana, so that's what I'm going to do. You're on the phone with your girlfriend, she's upset. Okay, so we got a perfect eyeliner. Yes, I'm actually digging this one a lot better than this one, but it's okay. We're not going to mess with it because they both look good in their own way. They're not exactly matching, but like I said, look good in their own way, and we're going to keep it like that. So, now we're going to go ahead and start with our face. I feel so lightheaded, you guys. This whole entire day I have been feeling super lightheaded, and it's just crazy. Like, honestly, I don't know what the heck is wrong with me. So, let's go ahead and start with this face makeup. For moisturizer, I'm going to be using my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer, and as you guys know, this is my all-time favorites. Your girl is in love with this stuff. It's so fresh and it's just so oof on my skin. I love it. Recommend AF, okay? 10/10 recommendation. For primer, I'm going to be using my Master Prime by Face Studio Maybelline. And this is the Hydrate and Smooth Primer Base. For foundation, we're going to be using the Maybelline 24 Hour Stay Foundation in the color 310. You guys know this is my all-time favorite foundation, and I don't think I'll ever trade it for anything. Concealer, I'm going to be going in my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, color medium. I don't even know why I say these products anymore. It's the same thing that I use every single time. But I guess just in case you're new, I'm using the same thing as always. I'm going to be baking with my banana powder for Makeup Revolution. I don't often show it because I have put it in the container that the Laura Mercier setting powder is in. Just because the container for the banana powder is just, it's like you have to dump it out on something. And this one, you know, it holds it. So I just dumped it all up in there. And that's where it's been going. And now I don't have the bottle anymore, because I am running out. Well, I ran out. I dumped it all in here. And yeah, but that's what I'm using. I'm using the Makeup Revolution banana powder. For the rest of my face, I am going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the color 30, which is medium deep. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Better Bronzer by Makeup, is it Physician Makeup? It's Physician's Formula? I'm not sure, but this bad boy right here. For blush, I'm going to be going in the BH Cosmetic Blush Palette. And I'm going to be going in these two right here. I'm going to be mixing them in together with my brush. And for highlight, I'm going to be going in the Mayan Gold Starlight Highlighter. You guys know this is like my all-time fave. But yeah. Bitch, I'm a queen! Girl who? Okay, so I am going to put a little bit of my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Rome. Just a little bit to add some color to my lips because they're a little pale. And then to top it off, I'm going to put my Sephora, it used to be clear, but it's not anymore. It's just lip gloss. I was like, what the fuck do you call this? To finish off my look, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. And this is what the bottle looks like. Just going to squirt this on my face. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.